Okay, Shane Thomas here today. Again, I'm going to do some more reviews on the Partner with Anthony program. Now, something that I really want to talk about a little bit here is a lot of people look at it and they think that it's just a short little program and he's going to tell you a few things and that's going to be it. So what I wanted to show you is I made up a little bit of a list here in my Google Docs. And what I want to show you is now I've already covered session 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 as to what you're going to get. And this is just kind of a reminder to show you just how much actual information is included in this program. Like, this is phenomenal. For like $7, you get all this. These programs are like 1,900, 2,000, 3,000, maybe up to $5,000 for this type of training and just methods of how to do things. This is incredible. You're not going to get this anywhere for $7. Trust me, I've looked. Doesn't work. This does. All right. So anyway, I got through 7. So I just want to kind of scroll down here and show you what's coming up ahead. Session 7, emails, how to sync your email list. That's into your autoresponder and stuff. Marketer's mindset, email again. Session 9, talking about how to test this stuff using your opt-in pages. How to get your traffic. An invite to Anthony's got a internet traffic scheduling program for you if you want to get involved with that, and they're just super helpful. Again, moving on, 11 and 12. I mean, we're just barely halfway through for $7. Can't believe it. So session 11, like, what matters? Solo ads, networking. What is all this about? Things that people don't talk about are like, optimizing all those little key features in your opt-in pages, thank you pages. This is just phenomenal stuff. You're not going to get anywhere else. Get into 13, into the YouTube stuff, okay, which I'm doing right now, as you can probably tell. The YouTube marketing, how to get your stuff onto YouTube, how you can grow organic. And go from there. This is just a great system right here in session 13. You really going to pay attention to this one. And it goes on. I mean, success connection, funnel building, Facebook ads. Now, this is getting into some case studies here on different ways of marketing. Facebook marketing. Now, once we get into this, like session 17, Anthony kind of explains a little bit about the Facebook marketing. And then Adrian, his brother, who is phenomenal. I use that word quite a bit, but it's true. He's awesome training. Goes really step by step on how to do Facebook advertising. He's got a full-blown course that you can get involved with if you like to further your knowledge on that. But for right now, I mean, these sessions are, it's a course within a course itself. Where do you want to be? Your business recap, what you need to do, email marketing, how to, again, change those little things to make your click rates, open rates better, when to send emails, when not to send emails, and again, continuing on with the YouTube stuff, metrics, email, this is all getting into the copywriting stuff in here. And just look at session 29 just incredible. Into 30, look at all the modules that are there. This is key stuff. This is what's going to make you successful. Pay attention. Don't stop along the way. Look at all this information. Again, anybody that's asking you about why you want to be involved in Partner with Anthony, it doesn't matter really you're selling Partner with Anthony as an affiliate program, you're selling ambassador stuff, whatever you're selling. It can be any other affiliate marketing offer that you want to do. This is how to get it done. This is the way to do it. And again, I can't say enough good things about it. That without spending $5,000, you're not going to get this training anywhere else on the internet, and that's just the way it is. So again, I'm going to carry on the next couple of days with a little more detailed stuff on some of the sessions. For now, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications button so you get notified when the new videos are coming out. And of course, do leave me comments. I really like to look through the comments, and I try to reply or at least like them. And make sure you keep up on that. So until next time, Shane Thomas for another review of Partner with Anthony program. All the best, and I'll see you in the next video.